Respected viewers, kindly subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and do not forget to like the video. So students, till the date we have heard many stories. One of them was the story of Cinderella. We all loved the story of Cinderella. The story had Cinderella and her stepmother and sister who tortured her. But Cinderella was very good at nature, and that's why all is well with Cinderella at the end of the story. Now we are going to learn lesson number 5, the 12 months. This lesson's story also meets the story of Cinderella. So let's start. Once upon a time in faraway country there lived a mother who had 2 daughters. One was her own child, the other was her stepdaughter. She was very fond of her own daughter, but she hated her stepdaughter. The only reason was that Morokla, the stepdaughter, was prettier than her own daughter Helena. The gentle-hearted Morokla did not know how beautiful she was, and so she could never make out why her mother was always so cross with her. This story begins with a family. There were a mother and her 2 daughters in that family. Morokla was a stepdaughter and Helena was her own daughter. Morokla was more beautiful than Helena. That's why her mother always hated Morokla. But Morokla was very innocent. She did not understand that why her mother hated her. Morokla had to do all the housework, tidying up the cottage, cooking, washing, spinning, weaving and sewing. She liked work and she did it all without a word of complaint, while Helena spent the time adoring herself and lazing about. Even then Helena and her mother scolded and rated and abused Morokla every day. They envied her so much that one day they decided to throw her out in the freezing cold to get rid of. Morokla used to do all housework alone, but she did not complain. Helena spent all her time in adoring and lazing. But one day both mother and daughter started scolding Morokla and started ordering her to go out in the cold. Go, Morokla, and get some violets from the forest. I want to wear them and to smell them, said Helena. But, my dear sister, it is impossible to find violets in the snow, said poor Morokla. How dare you argue when I tell you to do something? Off you go at once, and if you don't bring me violets from the forest, I will kill you, said Helena threateningly. So students, Helena told Morokla to go to the forest and bring the flowers of violet. But Morokla said that there has been so much snow outside. How will the violets get in such a season? Still, Helena started threatening Morokla and asked to bring the flowers. The stepmother caught hold of Morokla, turned her out of the door and slammed it to after her. Morokla went into the forest weeping bitterly. The snow lay deep and there wasn't a human footprint to be seen. Morokla wandered about for a long time, tortured by hunger and trembling with cold. So student, then her mother pushed Morokla out of the house and turned the door close loudly. Now Morokla started going into the forest. She was shivering with cold. There was also a lot of snow. There were no human beings in the forest. Morokla was very hungry too. At last she saw a light in the distance. She went towards the glow, which came from the top of the mountain. A big fire was burning there, and round the fire were 12 stones with 12 men sitting on them. 3 of them had snow-white beards. 3 were not so old, and 3 were still younger. The 3 youngest were the handsomest of them all. They were not speaking, but all sitting silent. These 12 men were the 12 months. Great January sat highest of all. His hair and beard were as white as snow, and in his hand he held a club. So students, when Morokla went inside the forest, she saw 12 people were sitting on 12 stones around the burning fire on a peak of a mountain. 3 of them had white beard. 3 were not very old. Another 3 were young men, and the last 3 were very young and also very beautiful. They all were sitting silent. That 12 men was actually 12 months, and the eldest January had a magic stick in his hand. Morokla was frightened. She stood still for a time in terror, but growing bolder, she went up to them and said, "Please, kind sirs, let me warm my hands at your fire." Great January nodded and asked her, "Why have you come here, my dear little girl? What are you looking for?" "I am looking for violets," answered Morokla. "This is no time to be looking for violets, for everything is covered with snow," answered Great January. So students, now Morokla was very scared. She pleaded with those 12 people that can she warm her hands on that fire. January nodded his head and asked Morokla why has she come. Morokla said she want the violets, but January said now everything is covered with snow. She will not find flowers of violets. Thank you for watching this audio visual presentation.